today's video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to be doing a quarantine morning routine edition, or a morning routine quarantine edition. Yeah, I just don't know what to do with myself anymore, so I'm just making so many videos. Like, I posted twice this week, so that's kind of crazy. But technically it's not morning right now because I wake up at 11:30 or sometimes 12, because my sleep schedule is literally so out of place. Like, I didn't sleep last night till 4 in the morning. Like, what? Like, I could not sleep. I just put on some moisturizer, you know, the basics to fill. Just then I'm gonna be using this little tool. It basically gets rid of your, what is this called? I don't know what it's called, but I really want to go on a drive, like just a drive. I just like curling my eyelashes. Oh, I like curling my eyelashes though. Okay, the other day I got so bored I straightened my hair. Like, I'm like, what? But it made my hair look nice. It wasn't so crazy. Oh my god, I literally cannot wait to get my hair done. Like, that's what I'm looking forward to now. Oh my god, my hair's kind of greasy now. I'm gonna wear a hairband. Yeah. Oh my god, talking about headbands, I got so bored the other day. There's the sewing machine. I literally started sewing like so many things out of my old clothes. So there's like two big trash bags filled with clothes that I like clean my closet and everything out, which a video will come soon. Some of them I'm selling on Poshmark, which it will be linked down below, so you guys can go follow me. And if you want to shop my clothes, I think because Poshmark's kind of confusing to me, low-key, I might just sell it on my like Instagram story. So I took the pieces that like were kind of ugly, I don't even know why I bought them, and then I made it into, if you follow me on TikTok you saw, I made this cardigan into a really nice hair scarf. It's so cute and pretty. Literally, I'm like shook how freaking good it turned out. I'm basically becoming my own fashion designer. Like, I love cutting things up and making it. My mom starts taking videos of me because I'm like sewing in the middle of the night. But this was like a t-shirt from like Orlando, and then I like cut it up, I stitched it so it looks nice and not just like random thread. The stitching is orange though, so there's like orange stitching everywhere, and there's already like bleach dyed on here. So headbands, and then you just tie it at the bottom. It's really nice and I love it. It's so cute actually. It makes me look really preppy though. But then here's this. Here's the scarf thing I was talking about. It literally looks like a random square, but I like stitched it so like it has a nice clean finish. I don't know if that was even in focus, but you basically make a little triangle and secure on the bottom, and it literally looks so good. Like, what? I'm just doing a little haul here. Basically, this top was my favorite thing ever. I used to wear it all the time, like sophomore year, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sophomore year. And then I just hated the sleeves because they were like bell-bottom sleeves, but like they'd always like come up, and I hated that, and I was like, this is so annoying. So it's not my best work because I was just kind of like getting annoyed with it. But I cut the bottom. It was like there was like another layer, a band or something. Didn't like it. I cut it, and then I added this like I cut the sleeves to like a good point, and then I got another fabric, and basically, I really wish this can get in focus. I cut it and I made a little stitching all across, so it's like a nice band and it doesn't look like it was cut. This on the bottom though, I left it like a little distressed, I guess. I mean, it's fine, it's cute, I like it now. And then this is the original, like it ties up, so it's like a nice little deep V. But it's honestly not bad at all. Like, this doesn't look bad. I had this denim jacket for a whole minute. I hate it. I hate the color. I don't know why I bought this color. I wish I like darker, like colored denim jackets. But anyways, it was like a long oversized jacket. Didn't like it, so I basically cropped it into a cropped denim jacket. Toxic. Built like a chopstick. Oh my god, stupid freaking thing from Bryce. It's stuck in my head. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go, let's go make some breakfast. I'm really hungry, a late breakfast. I need my coffee though, so let's go do that. I'm sitting outside. It's so nice. There's birds jumping around. And yes, they're jumping around. I know they fly, but they're jumping around over there. So last night I saw a video. I used to like make friendship bracelets, but then I saw a video. I saw Nomani Locke's video actually, where she made them. I was like, I want to do this. So I'm gonna sit out here and make some friendship bracelets because I have nothing better to do, you know, because you have to make your time. Consume your time. Be a little productive, I guess. And that's my production. Oh my god, there's so many bees and wasps. Wasps. Oh my god, it's sunny outside. And it's like, oh my god, there's a bee. Bees don't sting, right? They only wasps do. Like, bees sting, but they don't sting on, I don't know. I have so many freaking colors. I might do this inside though, because I need a flat surface, and I don't have a flat surface here. It's a table, but it's covered in pollen. So scary. Okay, I'm leaving. Nope, I'm leaving. Leaving. I got my thumbnail, I'm good. I'm gonna clean my room first because there's so many things on the floor, like the fabric from all the little fashion designer I was trying to be, and I have like so many freaking things everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up real quick. Let's do a time lapse. Done. I was going to work out, but I'll work out after, I guess, because it's, you know, basically afternoon time. But I'm gonna change because I hate wearing the same clothes. Like, I need to change. Like, I can't just wear the same comfy clothes. I need to change into some other comfy clothes, you know? But here's my new look. I'm wearing more pajamas. I wanted to wear leggings, but I couldn't find any. I finished all my like online work that I have to do and like assignments I had to turn in, so I'm good for now, I guess. I'm pretty sure. I just have to write an essay, but that's boring to film, so I'm not gonna do that much. But I'm gonna double it, so now it's like that. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, there's my, you really can't see anything. Anyways, I'm gonna tape it to my desk. This is how it looks. My desk is a little dusty, but it's fine. Okay, I don't know how long it's been. I've been sitting here for a minute. What time is it now? It's 2:30. Wow, I don't even know. But anyways, I finished one bracelet and it looks so nice, but it's a little too small, so I mean, it could fit, but I don't know. So I'm doing another one. This is how it looks. Orange, yellow, and white. I feel like because they're so long, it's literally so long, I feel like it's not gonna, I didn't tighten enough up there, but now I'm starting to, and I think this is gonna be the one. And I'm watching Criminal Minds as usual. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here. Thanks for watching my morning routine on what I do in quarantine edition. Yeah. I'm just gonna be sitting here making this friendship bracelet and watch some Criminal Minds as usual. So I will see you guys in my next video Wednesday. I've been trying to post twice a week. Let's see how far I can get with that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank. Let's chat. I just hit a mail.